Your worst idea is what you did with your ears.
Give me your attention, baby.
Sweet. Be it ever so. Heinous, there's no place like home. First floor, factory rejects. Those who's are hard to frazzle, Max. But we did our worst, and that's all that matters. At least I scared the bejeebers out of that little girl at the post office. She'll be scarred for life if we're lucky. Funny she didn't rat on us, though. Must be afraid of reprisals. Yes! Down a size and a half! And this time, I'll keep it all. Get the stick, Max. Get the stick! There's no stick. I'm smarter. Any calls?
You have no messages?
Odd. Better check the outgoing.
If you utter so much as one syllable, I'll hunt you down and gut you like a fish. If you'd like to fax me, press the star key.
Oh, well. That's more like it. Excellent year. I'll tell you, Max, I don't know why I ever leave this place. I've got all the company I need right here. Hello! Hello! How are you? How are you? I asked you first. Oh, that's really mature, saying exactly what I said. I'm an idiot! You're an idiot!
All right, fine. I'm not talking to you anymore. In fact, I'm going to whisper so that by the time my voice reverberates off the walls and gets back to me, I won't be able to hear it.
You're an idiot! Am I just eating because I'm bored?